When your ad campaign data lives in 5 different platforms, reporting isn't insight, it's a nightmare. A leading global media and advertising company had the same problem of data scattered into multiple platforms without a single source of truth. Every platform had its own structures, naming rules and metrics, making manual reporting slow and error-prone. That's where Lumenore stepped in. It cleaned, prepared, and centralized all campaign data into one view. With unified dashboards, they could track KPIs like CTR, CPC, and ROI faster and more accurately. Lumenore automated reporting cut manual work by 80% and saved 15 hours every week. Campaign overspend was reduced by 20% thanks to real-time budget versus spend tracking. With Lumenore, campaign reporting isn't just easier, it's smarter. Ready to unify your ad campaigns?